Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is the top of Mount Marcy located at New York State. In this video, I'm going to share my experience and I will try to give you some information about Mount Marcy Trail. We parked our car at Adirondack Lodge and start our journey through Van Hoevenberg Trail, which is 18 miles long. The trail is easy until you reach Marcy Dam. Once you have reached the dam, you begin climbing up rocky terrain as the trail is mostly boulders and this persists most of the way from there on. Once you pass the Marcy Dam, then you reach Indian Falls. This is Indian Falls. You can sit down here, take some rest. Most of the hikers, I think they make their pit stop here, have some rest and then start walking again. As you reach Fellsbrook and the Indian Falls, you have to refill your water bottles here as there are no streams the rest of the way. The hiking gets harder as you get closer to the summit. We started very early at the morning so that we can finish by the dusk. It took us about 10 hours to finish the whole trail, 18.5 miles. But if you are a professional hiker, you can finish earlier than this. For the best experience, you can hike this trail between April to November, but also you can hike all year round, depends on your time. Mount Marcy is the highest mountain in New York State, located in the high peaks region of the Adirondacks near Lake Placid. There are 4 main trails to Mount Marcy summit. The route from Adirondack Lodge parking area, the Van Hoevenberg Trail, is the most popular and heavily used. At one point of the trail, you will find out this beautiful source of water, and also you can refill your water bottle from here, but I will definitely recommend you to use the water purifier tablet before you drink it. We also recommend you to carry some bug spray, as you can encounter a lot of bugs, especially when the trail along the forest. We found this beautiful butterfly home near Marcy Dam. Maybe you will also encounter the same thing if you hike during summertime. The most special thing about this trail is there are so many variations in different places at the different point of the trails. You will see so many different kinds of plants, flowers, and also creek, waterfalls, so many other different things. Let's go.
Oh, there you go. That'll work.
Once you get close to the summit, the trail becomes more steep, and as you can see here, it's really narrow. I will say this is the most toughest part of the trail, the last half mile, because you have to climb the rock here before you reach summit. We also had some trouble at the last half mile because the rain was really heavy, but we didn't stop, we just ran. Even though you ran, I can guarantee you, you have to stop at some point to take the pictures, because this trail will give you so many viewpoints to take a lot of nice pictures. Once you reach summit, please be careful. You will see some very rare alpine vegetations in some designated area. Please don't step on those area. You will see some railing. Just follow the instructions. The view from the top, I can explain in my words, is really beautiful and breathtaking, as you can see here. After a while, we started our return journey. It was really a good experience to come up to this point and enjoy all this beautiful natural beauty. On our way back to parking lot, it became really dark and we were also really tired. Thank you guys, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.